Feeling your age? It's not just in your head. Do you struggle to lift heavy grocery bags? Do you find yourself getting tired more easily than you used to? You're not alone. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass and strength. This can make everyday activities more difficult and even impact our overall health. But what if I told you there was a simple, natural way to combat this age-related decline? What if you could regain the strength and vitality you had in your younger years? The silent strength thief unveiling muscle loss. Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging. As we grow older, our bodies undergo numerous changes, and one of the most significant is the gradual decline in muscle mass and strength. This process can start as early as our 30s and continues to progress as we age. After age 30, we can lose as much as 3 to 5% of our muscle mass each decade. This decline might seem gradual, but it accumulates over time, leading to noticeable changes in our physical capabilities. By the time we reach our 70s or 80s, the loss can be quite substantial. This might not seem like much, but over time it can significantly impact our strength, mobility, and even our metabolism. Everyday activities that were once easy, like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing up from a chair, can become challenging. The reduction in muscle mass also affects our balance and coordination, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. This loss of muscle mass can lead to a cascade of health problems. When muscles weaken, they can't support the body as effectively, leading to joint pain and stiffness. This can make it harder to stay active, creating a vicious cycle where inactivity leads to further muscle loss. Additionally, weaker muscles can contribute to poor posture and back pain. Weakness, frailty, increased risk of falls, and decreased bone density are just a few examples. Falls are particularly concerning because they can lead to serious injuries such as fractures or head trauma. Decreased bone density or osteoporosis often accompanies sarcopenia, making bones more fragile and susceptible to breaks. It can also make it harder to maintain a healthy weight, as muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. With less muscle mass, our metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. This can lead to a range of metabolic issues, including insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Therefore, understanding and addressing muscle loss is crucial for maintaining overall health and quality of life as we age. Reclaim your power. One daily habit to fight back. The good news is that you don't have to accept muscle loss as an inevitable part of aging. While it's true that our bodies change as we get older, we have more control over these changes than we might think. By taking proactive steps, we can maintain our strength and vitality well into our later years. There's a simple, effective way to fight back daily strength training. This doesn't mean you need to spend hours in the gym or lift heavy weights. Even light resistance exercises can have a significant impact on your muscle health. The key is consistency and making it a part of your daily routine. Incorporating just a few minutes of strength-building exercises into your day can make a world of difference. Whether it's using resistance bands, light dumbbells, or even your own body weight, these exercises can be done at home, in a park, or at a gym. The important thing is to get moving and challenge your muscles regularly. Strength training helps to build and maintain muscle mass, which in turn improves strength, balance, and overall fitness. This is crucial for maintaining independence and quality of life as we age. Strong muscles support our joints, making everyday activities easier and reducing the risk of injury. It can also help to increase bone density, reduce the risk of falls, and boost your metabolism. Stronger bones mean a lower risk of fractures, which is especially important as we get older. Additionally, a higher metabolism can help with weight management and energy levels, making you feel more vibrant and active. Beyond the physical benefits, strength training can also have a positive impact on mental health. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. It also provides a sense of accomplishment and can be a great way to socialize and meet new people. So take the first step today. Start with simple exercises and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every little bit helps. By incorporating strength training into your daily routine, you can reclaim your power and enjoy a healthier, more active life. Unpacking the strength solution: what, why, when, where, how. This method is a comprehensive approach to understanding and implementing effective strength training routines. By breaking it down into these 5 key questions, we can create a clear and actionable plan for anyone looking to improve their fitness. Let's break down this powerful habit using the 4W1H method. What? We're talking about bodyweight exercises or exercises with light weights. These are exercises that use your own body weight or minimal equipment to build strength. They are accessible to everyone regardless of fitness level and can be done anywhere. Think squats, push-ups, lunges, and rows. These fundamental movements target multiple muscle groups and are essential for building a strong foundation. Squats work your legs and core, push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, lunges strengthen your legs and glutes, and rows are great for your back and biceps. Why? These exercises stimulate muscle growth and improve your strength, making everyday activities easier. Whether it's lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or playing with your kids, having a strong body makes life more enjoyable and less strenuous. Additionally, strength training has numerous health benefits including improved metabolism, better bone density, and reduced risk of injury. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of strength training most days of the week. Consistency is key to seeing results. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Short, focused sessions can be incredibly effective. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening to unwind, where you can do these exercises at home, at the gym, or even outside. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is their versatility. You don't need a lot of space or fancy equipment. A small area in your living room, a corner in the gym, or a spot in the park can all serve as your workout space. How? Focus on proper form over heavy weight. It's crucial to perform each exercise correctly to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a personal trainer or using online resources to guide you. Remember, quality over quantity. If you're new to exercise, start with a few repetitions of each exercise and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. It's important to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Celebrate these milestones and keep challenging yourself to reach new heights. Step up your strength, a blueprint for success. Here's a sample daily routine to get you started. 1. Warm up. 5 minutes of light cardio like brisk walking or marching in place. 2. Strength training. Squats, 10 to 12 repetitions. Push-ups. As many as you can do with good form, and you can start against a wall if needed. Lunges, 10 to 12 repetitions per leg. Rows, 10 to 12 repetitions per arm, using a resistance band if needed. 3. Cool down. 5 minutes of stretching, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Consistency is key. Remember, you won't see results overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll start to notice a difference in your strength and energy levels. It's like building a house. Each workout is a brick, and over time, you build a stronger foundation. Don't be discouraged if you need to modify the exercises or start with fewer repetitions. The most important thing is to listen to your body and gradually challenge yourself over time. Embrace the journey. This isn't just about building muscle. It's about investing in your health and well-being. It's about feeling more confident, capable, and energized in your everyday life. It's about enjoying the activities you love for years to come. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. By incorporating this one simple habit into your daily routine, you're taking a powerful step towards reclaiming your strength and vitality. Your future self will thank you. Imagine yourself a year from now. You're moving with ease, you have more energy, and you feel stronger than ever before. This vision can become your reality with consistent effort and dedication to your health. Don't wait another day to start investing in your future self. Make the commitment to incorporate daily strength training into your life. Ready to feel 40 again? Take charge today. You have the power to turn back the clock on aging and regain the strength and vitality you thought were lost forever. It all starts with this one simple habit: daily strength training. Make the commitment today and start building a stronger, healthier you.